In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Mailchimp pop-up into your Wix site. This is a fantastic way to harness the power of Mailchimp's audience engagement tools while maintaining the sleek aesthetic of your Wix website. To begin with, you'll need to make sure you have a few essentials at your disposal: a Mailchimp account and access to a Wix site. Also, keep in mind that depending on the features you want to use, a paid Wix plan might be necessary to utilize custom code or apps effectively. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to head over to your Mailchimp account. Once there, navigate to the Audience tab and then select Sign Up Forms. This is where you'll create your pop-up form. You have the freedom to customize your pop-up to reflect your brand's unique style and objectives. Decide on the design, the fields you want visitors to fill out, and how you want the form to behave on your site. Once you're happy with the design of your pop-up, the next step is to publish it or save it. If your website is already connected to Mailchimp, you'll likely receive a handy code snippet. This snippet is crucial because it's what you'll embed onto your Wix site to make the pop-up appear. Now, let's switch gears and move over to your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll need to find the Settings section. Once there, look for something along the lines of Tracking and Analytics under the Advanced settings. This is where you'll manage any custom codes or scripts for your site. In this section, you'll want to add a new custom code or script. This is where the Mailchimp code snippet comes into play. Paste it into the section provided. One of the great benefits of Wix is that it offers flexibility. You can choose to apply this pop-up site-wide, meaning it will appear on every page, or you might prefer it to only show up on selected pages. Tailoring this aspect will depend on your specific strategy for capturing leads and engaging with your audience. Finally, it's time to save and publish your Wix site. This step is crucial as it ensures your changes are live and visible to those visiting your site. To verify everything is working correctly, visit your live site. Check to see if the pop-up appears as expected on the pages you've designated. Doing this test run helps ensure there are no hiccups or technical glitches. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a Mailchimp pop-up to a Wix site. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to engaging visitors and capturing valuable information seamlessly and efficiently.